How to buy BOMBLOONG token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click on markets here, and you will be able to find PancakeSwap. Click on this pair, and you will be able to redirect to this page. Now, what you need to do after that, as you can see here, click on trade on PancakeSwap, and you will be able to redirect to PancakeSwap website in order to buy this token. Now, first of all, connect your wallet. Select your wallet from here. We select the OKX wallet. Now, after that, just select the if you see the MetaMask, you can select it. Now, first of all, select your wallet. I will use the OKX. Now, I will log into my wallet first, as you can see here. Now, after that, what you need to do, just click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to PancakeSwap, as you can see, you will be able to find your token here in the bottom. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And as you can see here, just type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on swap, and a pop-up will appear here from your wallet that you connected to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy BOMBLOONG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.